Hi, welcome to Spanish with Joanna. On this first lesson, we are going to learn about the alphabet, subject pronouns, some common words like hello, bye, good night, good evening. I also wanted to inform you that I give or teach one-on-one lessons. I have different resources. You can select the resource or the book that you like the most. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you do, please leave a comment. Thank you, and let's start. Hi, so let's learn about the alphabet in Spanish. That is el abecedario, and let's repeat the letters. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, Ñ, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V pequeña, W, X, Y, Z. This one we call it small b. In Spanish that is V pequeña. Now let's learn the name of the vowels and also the pronunciation. It is the same. A, E, I, O, U. One more time. A, E, I, O, U. So now let's read the letter or the vowel. Then we are going to read a word that starts with that letter. So A, amor, that is love. E, elefante. I, iglesia. O, oso. If you want to talk about this one in specific, you can say oso panda. U, uva. Okay, so right now we're going to speak about subject pronouns. Here we have the subject pronouns in English. Those are I, you, he, she, we, you, they. I'm going to say them in Spanish. Please repeat them after me. Yo, that is I. Tú, you. Él, he. Ella, she. Nosotros, we. Ustedes, you. Ellos, they. So here you have tú, that is you, and ustedes, that is also you. But this first one, tú means you but singular. When you are talking to one person directly. And ustedes, that is you, plural. When you are talking to a group of people, like when you're talking to your friends. Here we have this other information. In Spanish, we have this other word, usted. It also means you. But usted is used singular, but it is formal. Tú is used singular, but it is informal. It is used with your friends and people, anyone that is close to you. Usted, it is more used in formal situations, like could be in your work, with your boss. Here we have this word they, that is ellos, or it could be ellas. If the group is a group of girls only, or a group of women, you need to say ellas with a. But if this group has the boy, the right one is ellos, they. Ellos. So let's practice the subjects again. Él, that is he. Ella, that is she. Él, he, ellos, they. So remember, ellos is used for they when you have boys and girls in the group. If the group only has women, then you say ellas. Ellos, they, ellas, they, yo, that is I. So thanks a lot, and let's continue with the next topic. Okay, here let's learn how to say some common words. Different ways to say hello. So here we have, please repeat after me. Hola, buenos días, buenas tardes, or buenas noches. So hola, that is hi or hello. Buenos días, good morning. Buenas tardes, good afternoon. Buenas noches, good night. How are you? How to say that? So that question is, ¿cómo estás? ¿Cómo estás? And the ways that you could answer, bien, gracias. ¿Y tú? One more time. Bien, gracias. ¿Y tú? Another way to answer, muy bien, gracias. ¿Y tú? So here you're saying the first one is, ¿cómo estás? How are you? The answer, fine, thank you. And you? The second one, very well, thank you. And you? What's your name? That is, ¿cómo te llamas? ¿Cómo te llamas? And we can say, me llamo, and then your name. Me llamo, I'm gonna say mine. Me llamo Joanna. Please say yours. Me llamo. Or another option, you would be saying the same, but with other words. Mi nombre es, and then your name. Mi nombre es, in my case, that is, mi nombre es Joanna. Ways to say bye. Chao. Adiós. Chao. Adiós. Hasta luego. Hasta luego. Nos vemos pronto. Nos vemos pronto. Hasta mañana. Chao. And adiós. They mean bye. Hasta luego. See you later. Nos vemos pronto. See you soon. Hasta mañana. See you tomorrow. Let's practice. So here we have a short conversation. Let's try it. So, yeah, please read it after me. Hola. Hola. ¿Cómo estás? Muy bien, gracias. ¿Y tú? Bien, gracias. Adiós. Ciao. So that's very short. But let's try this. I could be A and you could be B. So let's try. Hola. Your turn. ¿Cómo estás? Bien, gracias. Ciao. So that's all for today. Thank you for watching the video. And I hope to see you on the next one.